Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the exact tools and intent. Install the model checkpoint and any necessary VAE. This affects color and detail. Pick a sampler like DDIM or Euler and set 20 to 50 steps as your default. More steps refine detail. Then write a focused prompt naming subject, mood, lighting, camera lens, and composition, because the model needs precise constraints. Once done, you'll have a controlled environment to iterate from, not random chaos. Next, you refine the generation. Tweak the CFG scale between 4 and 12 to control how closely the image follows your prompt. Lower equals freedom, higher equals fidelity. Use a strong resolution baseline, 512 to 1024 px, and plan an upscaling pass with noise-aware or face restoration tools for crisp results. Add negative prompts to remove artifacts, and feed reference images or image conditioning when you need correct proportions or textures. Make sure to save each experiment and now finish the image and check details closely. Run denoising and 1 or 2 upscaling passes, then inspect 1 crops for fine texture and edges. If faces, hands, or anatomy look off, apply face restoration, try IM2 with a low denoise, or refine prompts focusing on anatomy and camera distance. If results still fail, review seed and settings. Reproducibility lets you backtrack. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, lower CFG by 1 to 2 points and rerun. It often fixes overfitting artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.